Okay, what are we seeing here? Because these things look like paper dragons or something. There's more up there. The clouds just rolled in. Oh, look, there they are. There they are. Right there.
Come and go.
And right there.
Disappear during the day.
And they come and go. They disappear during the day?
Yeah.
Really? You seen that?
They were very good at it.
Okay. They don't like it? No dragon food. Say no to dragon food. Look at the moon. Wait, look at the moon, look at the moon. Ah, you can't even see the moon. Kenny, slow down. No, okay, there's the moon. They come out on the full moon.